Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aulia Ramanda. In this video, I want to explain about the ontology and epistemology of qualitative research. So, before I explain about the ontology and epistemology of qualitative research, first let's begin with what is qualitative research. Albert Einstein said, "Not everything can be counted, and not everything that counts can be counted." So if it is cannot be counted, this means this is a qualitative research method. There are some important things in qualitative research. First is ontology, second is epistemology, third methodology, fourth is methods. But in this video, I just want to explain about the ontology and epistemology in qualitative research. The philosophy of qualitative research. So, what is reality and can we know reality? Epistemology is which is how we can know or how can we get to know what happened and how can. We have to find or we need to find first a distant explanation or the main problem of some issues, and the second is empirical evidence. We can know the main problem if we can gather empirical evidence, which is mean we can know why this happened if we can gather empirical evidence. Something can be proven why or the reason it can happen with empirical evidence. In other words, hypotheses or things that we suspect will cause a problem. We can prove the truth if we have evidence and then we can explain it. So when we get the empirical evidence, we are able to explain it. We have to find as much as possible the evidence to prove the guiltiness of the problem. Or to prove the truth, we have to look for as much as possible in order to subvert its truth. How can we get knowledge? First, by proving guilt. Second, try to prove innocence. Third is measures. Fourth, observe or look directly in the field the problem, or we can see directly or make observation to send to the sensor to the scan or location directly. Fifth, think very carefully, maybe sit and ponder, are there any other possibilities of the main problem? The sixth is looking for a problem that is almost the same in various journals. So we need to find out why did it happen, the reason for it, and how they interpreted it. And what is ontology research? Ontology, ontology in qualitative research, which is what is reality, we'll talking about is what is reality, what is the problem and the possibilities of it, what shape the knowledge, and what is the relationship between each component or how they are related to each other. Ontology is telling us about what is reality. It means you also take into consideration the assumption that you make about the nature of the world and of the reality. Ontology of researchers not only look or describe the biggest view, but also look or describe the smaller thing from it. Qualitative research tends to focus a lot in pragmatism and constructivism. Why? Because as qualitative research, first, social reality is a construct, which is we construct reality. The second is social constructivism. Construct reality, create meaning, and sometimes these meanings are locally accomplished realities. Thomas' theorem says if men divide situations as real, they are real in their consequences, which is very pragmatism view of social reality. Qualitative researchers believe that we study about how people create reality. People tend to forget that as researchers, we also define situations as real and that they are real in the consequences. Qualitative research look at reality as if it sense and feel what participants sense and feel. The researchers feel the situation in the researching, but it is also the researcher's point of view. They actually tend to view themselves and their own research from a more objectivist point of view. Researchers is a naturalist, which is part of the social world, and also a scientist who believes in the reality of social actors, so that he can do participatory observation, which understand or feels directly what other participant feels. As researchers, we co-constructing by looking at a material having a certain focus, using certain methodology, and we partly construct the data we are studying. So the last, epistemology research. Epistemology in qualitative research is deal about how we get the knowledge or how do we know the reality or truth. Study of the origin of knowledge or the best way to investigating the world or reality. Epistemology also means how we can know or how can we get to know what happened and how can. What is knowledge and how do we actually gain knowledge? How can we understand the reality or can we understand reality or do we need measure the reality? How do we gain knowledge? It is by positivism view and interpretivist view. What is a positivist epistemology? Application of natural science method to social science research. They are the elements of positivism. First, empirics, which is knowledge via the sense, all the knowledge we gain through the sense. Everything should be observable and measurable. The second is deductivist, which is theory texting. The third is inductivist, which is focused on theory building. There is such thing called logical positivism, one of it focusing on theory building, which is inductively, and one of it is called hypothetical deductivism. Positivists are focusing much more on deductivism. The fourth is objective, which is value-free research. Try to establish an objective view of the world. As a researcher, we do not try to force your subjective view of the world, but we try to establish an objective view of the world. The last is scientific versus normative statements. So, interpretivist epistemology. Social reality has a specific meaning and relevant structure for the being living, acting, and thinking with it. The meaning of social action, Weber's version, which is trying to understand subjectively the actor's perspective, subjective reality, and try to see the world from the eye of the research or the people of the study. There is a huge difference in the meaning to interpret something between one person to another person. And so that's why we need to try to understand subjectively a subject reality, actor's perspective, and an interpretive is tries to see the world from the eyes of the research or the people in the study. In scientists, we use positivism versus interpretation, or objective versus subjective, or intersubjectively versus subjective. How do we get knowledge? First, through objectively, intersubjectively, or subjectively. The second, through first-hand, which is understanding from within, trying to get a subject reality, trying to get into the meaning people attach to different action, or through explanation, what is the cause of it, or through the, which is meant through the cause. The third is through verification, see it and create the theory. The fourth, through falsification, which is try to test the theory, and the last, empirical, focus on sense, observing empirically or observation or rational or ideas, see it and think, which is ponder and wonder the reality, not observe it. We cannot say that positivism is one of the lists above because it can be two lists or more. Every positivist does a little verification and a little falsification. Probably. There's quite some positivist research on subjective meaning. Every researcher is doing empirical research, whether positive or interpretivist. We cannot say it is true just because we see something more true. So maybe that's last from me. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching my explanation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.